First tonight, the Supreme Court appears to be ready to overturn Roe versus Wade. Its landmark decision establishing the right to abortion. But what does it mean for Minnesota and Iowa? KIMT News 3's Anthony Mazan joins us with how experts say the potential decision could impact us. Anthony.
Yeah, Tyler, you know, that leaked draft Supreme Court opinion published by Politico has already sent shockwaves through the nation. If made official, the decision would dismantle 49 years of precedent and pave the way for lawmakers to severely curtail abortion rights. However, some states would see a less immediate impact than others, including Minnesota, where the state Supreme Court's 1995 Doe versus Gomez ruling would protect abortion as a constitutional right, even if Roe v. Wade was overturned. It would take an amendment to Minnesota's constitution or the rare step of the High Court overturning its own decision to curtail abortion rights. Across the border in Iowa, abortion is also protected by the state's constitution within 20 weeks of pregnancy, though the legislature has taken steps to change that. While not impossible, KIMT political analyst Race Hardy tells me it's incredibly difficult and rare for amendments to be made to any state constitution.
These are time-consuming to keep people focused on them, to keep organizations pushing for them, and to get a big enough groundswell. It takes constant and continued work on behalf of these supporters of whichever side they would be on for them to get something to change.
Just last year, both houses of the Iowa legislature approved language in a proposed amendment to the state's constitution that would remove a person's right to an abortion. But in order for that to take effect, that same language would have to be passed a second time in 2023 or 2024 before Iowans could vote on the measure in the next general election. Tyler?
Yeah, really interesting. All right. Thank you very much, Anthony. Now, Hardy also points out North and South Dakota are among 13 states with trigger laws that would outlaw abortion should Roe v. Wade be overturned, which could lead more people to travel to, say, Minnesota or Iowa for procedures. He also notes that the issue could supercharge political bases in this year's midterms, which may be particularly impactful in Minnesota, where every state legislative seat will be up for election.